Hey, this is Ben, and I have these upgraded oven knobs. We got these for our Samsung oven. The knobs are breaking, so we need some new ones to replace it. This comes with the instructions and the 5 knobs packed in the box. Here is our old knobs. The insides break, and it prevents you from turning the knobs, and this can actually be dangerous because we've had the knobs stuck on the on position but not being lit, putting gas into the house. Okay, comparing our old one to the new one. This is the old one. The inside is plastic, and that is what is cracking and causing the slippage. The new one has a different type of design. It has metal. It's going to be stronger. As you can see, these are identical, so the new ones will be compatible with the old ones. Okay, let's put them on. All right, I've taken off all the old knobs and I'm going to slide these on. It's nice to have new, clean, shiny knobs. We haven't been using half of our burners because the knobs have been broken. Okay, so there they all are. And let's just test this one. All right. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.